friends and family, it's an honor to be with you, and I know you all are honored to be here at the invitation of Evan and Alyssa to share in the joy of their wedding. Today we want to come and laugh and rejoice and celebrate what they are entering into, which is the deepest of all human relationships, that of marriage. Evan and Alyssa, today as we celebrate the two of you, your love for one another, and your relationship, I can't help but think of the creation narrative that we read in Genesis 1. The beautiful place that we are today reminds me of how God created everything with such beauty. And throughout creation, He consistently said, "This is good, this is good, this is good." When He created man and woman in His own image and likeness, and He placed them together and established the covenant of marriage, then He said, "This is very good." The work of God in your life is very good. Your relationship and coming to the place now today where you're going to share in the covenant of marriage is very good.
Alyssa and I have known each other since we were probably 5 years old. We met in Sunday school and we've been friends ever since. And during our 15-year-long friendship, we've gone through a lot of life phases together. First, we did a bunch of stuff in church together. So we were angels in the Christmas play one year. And I remember we were so excited because we got to dress up pretty, kind of like today, and wear sparkly eyeshadow. Next, as we got a little older, we spent lots of time on Neil and Tracy's boat and tubing and trying to push each other off. Through awkward teenage moments, different friend groups, different schools, jobs, a million other life moments, Alyssa and I have remained friends. And it has truly been an honor to get to be by her side through everything that she's done in her life. And it's an even bigger honor to get to stand up with her today as she enters a brand new phase of her life. And I'm just so excited that she's met a man like Evan who treats her the way she deserves to be treated. And I'm just glad that she gets to have him by her side for the rest of their lives.
Now, since I have been friends with Evan for the past years, he quickly became like a little brother to me. Now, Evan, it's truly been a blessing knowing you the past 17 years. You are one of my best friends, and I couldn't ask for a better one. You've grown up to be an incredible man, and I know that you're going to be an equally incredible husband. All growing up, it always seemed like whenever I would mention something, Evan would get it before me, and I was always very jealous of that. When we were just little guys, we would talk about toys we wanted, and boom, next day, Brown had it. We would talk about video games and how cool the next Call of Duty was looking. And no matter how much I would cheat and screen peek at the game, it would either be a very close game or Evan would still win. Then once we got older, it was cars and dirt bikes that we would ride around the fields where we lived. And now, the icing on the cake, not only did Evan get engaged before me, but now married. But I do have something that Evan is jealous of. All 10 of my fingers.
sunlight morning, early breeze. Lovers daylight opening, windows whispering our names. Inside this first light hideaway, red September, silver dawn, perfect photograph, quiet song, resting in each other's arms, with galaxies of fallen stars, hearts beat in unison, eyes wide open, two like one. Love won't lead us apart.
I can't believe I am standing in front of the most beautiful woman I have ever seen, moments away from being your husband. I promise to try my hardest to be the man you deserve. I will always be there for you when you are happy, when you are sad, when you are mad, when you don't need me, and when you do need me. I promise to do my best to lead you and our family closer and closer to God every day that I am alive. I will keep you safe and make you feel loved. I will wake up every day and choose you for as long as God allows me. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us, and I'm so happy it's with you. You are my best friend and the person I have been praying for my whole life. You are perfectly imperfect. I love you more than anything in this world, and that will never change.
Your beauty leaves me mystified, breathing in the quiet air.
I just want to start by saying you're the man I've been praying for my whole life. This is the moment I've been praying for. You're my rock, my world, my everything. I couldn't have asked for a better man in my life. You always know how to cheer me up when I'm feeling down. You are my dream guy, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner in life. I promise to always support you and be your #1 cheerleader, even when my dad shows you a new tool he got and now you want it. The one thing I ask is to not gang up on me with my dad all the time. I promise to love you in sickness and in health and always be your best friend. I love you.
Us apart. We've come too far, and right now the sun is ours.
I am proud to pronounce that you are husband and wife. Evan, you can seal this with a pinky promise.